Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar, simply type in craigslist.org and press enter. This will now take you into the official Craigslist website. Now in order to log into your account, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then log in using your email address and your password. Once you are logged into your account, you can tap on the same account icon and you will be taken into this page. From here, you can simply tap on the settings tab and then you will find an option to change your password. Simply click on this option and now you will be asked to enter your old password in order to change it. So simply type in your old password first and then you can type in your desired new password. Finally, you can type in your new password once again to confirm it, and then you can click on the change password button in order to change your password. And after you do this, your password will be changed and you can use your new password in order to log into your account on Craigslist. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.